PDF every day.
I sent it.
Oh, you sent me, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Amaze, I'm just sending you PDF. So all TMA of science questions we have completed.
Okay.
Okay, so today we have normal class.
Okay, that's fine.
So if you want to learn maths, which is your favorite subject, you can stay.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. Well, good morning. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just give me. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, good morning to all. Good morning to all. Out.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. A very good morning, guys. Very good morning. Very good morning.
Good
How are
morning.
you all? Good morning. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Give me a second. Very good morning. Very good morning, David. Very good morning, Jashran.
Good
We
morning, sir.
welcome you, David. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So, who didn't join? Miracle and I guess didn't join yet. No? Yes. Okay. So, everyone, good morning. So, we have David in the house. He just he just defeated Goliath and he came to in our classes for training purposes. Okay. So today we will start new chapters. It will be good for David also. So in science and in maths, both we have starting new chapter. Okay. So for the David, I'll just give you the instruction. David, we completed, I guess, 9 to 10 chapter in maths and 9 to 10 chapter in science. Okay. So the chapters which we have completed, we will not repeat for now. But when the new session will start in April 2026,
March.
so
March.
we will, sorry, March 2026, when new session will start, so we can cover up the remaining chapters with them. Okay? Did you understand? So we will do that, like the remaining chapters with that session. Okay, so
Okay.
what does this mean? The concept which was in the previous chapter, we will repeat that also because Agatha also joined just 1 month before. Okay, and Miraculin also just joined 2 months before. So the concept which was used in the previous chapter, we will reconsider that concept so that the next topic which you're going to learn, if it is related to that concept, it will be easy for you guys to understand. Okay, did you understand? Okay. Good morning, Miracle. Turn on the camera, please. Turn on the camera, please. Okay, so as I promised, we will start our new chapter. Our new chapter. Just give me a second. Uh,
यही कर तुम नीचे दे रहे हो उसके मुंह में आधा डाल पूरा मुंह बन जाता
uh, and we have online, like the recording is going to YouTube also. So you can subscribe my channel, put that bell icon. I mean, as a YouTuber, I am saying. So you can subscribe it and you can check it. If you miss some session, if you miss some topic, you can go and you can check out that video. Okay?
थोड़ी तो टाइम लग गया आने में इजी हो जाता मुझे अपने बुक दे दी है कहीं वापस दूसरे बुक की बुक करना पहली वाली
Chapter number 19, no? Or 20? 20.
19 we did.
20. So we are starting chapter number 20, which is perimeter and area. Okay, everyone. Put the heading, chapter number 20,
Sir, could you just give me
perimeter.
minutes? I'll be back.
Okay, perimeter and area. Okay, so the chapter name is chapter number 20. Okay, Miraculin, are you there?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, please turn on your camera.
Yes.
Okay, so chapter number 20, the name is perimeter and area. So first of all, we will understand what is the meaning of perimeter. What is the meaning of perimeter? So you guys tell me what is the meaning of perimeter? What knowledge you have? Sagatha will tell me. What do you mean by perimeter?
It is the measure of the entire boundary of a shape.
It's a measure of a boundary of a shape. Okay, so we know that. Okay. Edric, what about you? What do you
Okay.
understand by perimeter?
Okay. So perimeter is the boundary across the plane figure. For example, it can be a triangle or a quadrilateral or a pentagon, hexagon. It is a boundary of a plane figure.
Okay. Jashram, what do you understand by perimeter?
Perimeter is the measure of the boundary of any plane.
Boundary of a plane figure. So the boundary is called as perimeter, according to you. Okay. David, what do you tell the definition of perimeter in your words?
It is a measure of the boundary of the figure which is given.
Which is given. Measurement.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And Ira?
Yeah, sir. Basically, the measurement of the boundary of a figure or a shape. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, Bethia and Miraculin, what do you want to give your input? Turn on the camera, please. Yeah.
Yeah, the measurement of the boundary, the same thing.
The measurement of a boundary. Okay. So we know all this thing. Yes, we know all this thing. This is correct. The perimeter means the measurement of the
Boundary.
area. Okay. If the figure is there, if you will find the measurement of it, okay, that is called as perimeter. That is correct. Okay. Now, perimeter is also called as sum of all sides. Perimeter is also called as sum of all sides. Don't write it. I will give you time to write. Okay. Don't write it. I will give you time to write. Okay. Everyone, please pay attention on the board. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Any figure, any quadrilateral or sides figure like octagon. Octagon means 8-side figure. Oct means 8, gun means side figure. Did you understand? Like octagon means 8-side figure. If I will say, if I will make an octagon for you guys, so octagon look like this. So this is 8-side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is called as octagon. So even any figure, octagon, nanogon, decagon, any, nano means 9, deca means 10. So any figure, if you want to find perimeter, sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Did you understand? Yes or no? Any problem in that? Ask me, please. No problem. So first we will understand the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so now we know the figure rectangle look like this. And in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So for example, this is length, then this is also length. and this is breadth, then this is also breadth. Did you understand? Now I told you, what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides, means length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Why I did this? Because length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Did you understand? Yes or no? Guys, any problem? Just on? No? Okay. So what it will become? It will become L plus L will become 2L and B plus B will become 2B. And if I will take out the 2 common, then out of this 2 is out. So what will remain behind? Only L. And out of this 2 is out, like here. Then what will remain behind? Only B. So the formula will become 2L, 2 into L plus B. So we know this formula from our childhood times. But how it came? Like this it came. So the perimeter of rectangle formula, it will become 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle. Did you understand, guys? David, any question? Miracle David?
No.
Okay. So yeah, we have one rule that David, I guess Agatha doesn't know this rule also. No, Agatha no. Okay. So David, we give 1,000 times chances to ask the question. For example, you can ask me this same topic 1,000 times. Okay. But if you will ask me 1,001 time, I will not tell. So one question, one topic, you have chances of 1,000 times. Okay, 1,000 times I will tell, but 1,001 times I will say, go and do rectification. Okay, did you understand? Okay, so this is perimeter of rectangle, how it came. Now, second one. Second one is perimeter of square.
Do it.
So if I will draw,
Can we write
yes.
it, sir? Can we write it now?
No. Let me complete. So if I will draw a square figure, so we know that all side in square is equal. So for example, if this is A, this is A, this is A, and this is also A. So perimeter, I know. What is the meaning of perimeter? Sum of all sides means A plus A plus A plus A. So it will become A is adding 4 times, so it become 4A. So the perimeter of square, the formula become perimeter of square. The formula it will become 4 into A. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now you can add it up. Miracle, ask me any doubt, beta.
No, sir, this is very easy because we know
Yeah.
all these things.
Yeah, so you have to remember these things. Then only it will be easy for you guys to understand. Yes, Agatha has problem. Yes, Agatha, what problem, Agatha? No.
Oh, God.
So did you understand TMA, Agatha?
Yes, we did understand TMA.
Yeah. I mean, I was just generally asking. Yeah.
Yeah.
Barackle. B for Barackle.
Okay.
Wait, sir. I need to do it.
Yeah, take your time.
Give me 50 minutes.
Oh my God, this is too much. So, Ira, please put a reminder in the group that next Friday we will have test of what chapter test? I told.
Trigonometric ratios of some special angles.
No. In science, I told. Electrical energy, I guess, no?
Yeah, electrical energy.
Yeah, next Friday, not this Friday. And 22 December, we have half-yearly examination. So it will be so much fun.
Those 8 chapters are coming for that, no?
Yeah. Miracle is too excited for that, no?
B for Barackle.
Okay.
So what about that social studies teacher?
Yeah, social studies teacher, we will start the class by December. In December, we will start the class. So we have Agatha and Ira for the social study. So we will start our class by 1st December. I will inform ma'am. Yes,
First, which date on December?
like Monday of December. What is the Monday of December?
December 1st.
December 1st is Monday? December 1st.
Okay.
Okay, we will start the class December 1st.
दादा तुम तो कभी भूल चुके हो कि दिल्ली मत जाना तुम्हारा एक दिन भी नहीं चलेगा
Okay, done?
Wait. I need.
The perimeter of an octagon would be 8A, right?
Sorry?
Technically, the perimeter of an octagon would be 8A, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Perimeter of an octagon is 8A. Perimeter.
yeah. Octagon is like there is basically two types of figure are there. Normal figure like octagon and regular octagon. Whenever if in place, if in question, if it is written as regular heptagon, regular hexagon. So regular means all sides are equal. Okay. Regular means all sides are equal. So if it is regular octagon, it means that all sides are equal here. So if this is A, this is A, this is A, this is A, 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 because it is a regular octagon. So in this case, it will become, the answer will be 8A, like 8 multiplied by A. Okay. If it is regular hexagon is there, then the answer will become 6A. Okay. 6A it will become 6A.
So octagon is 8A, no?
Yeah, octagon, regular octagon, not octagon. Regular octagon will become 8A.
And
What's the
irregular octagon is also
between
8A.
Hmm?
Irregular octagon is also 8A or no?
No, irregular octagon will have A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H.
There are 8 variables. Here there's only one variable.
Yeah, in that it will be sum of all. Okay, done. Should I raise this? In the same way, if equilateral triangle is there, okay? EQU, equilateral triangle. Now, what do you mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides are equal. So, like for example, this is A, and this is A. So, in this, all sides are equal. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle will become 3 into A, 3A. Okay.
स्टार्ट हो गया न्यू बुक्स मेरे को ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता बुक मैंने बहुत बार किया एक और राहुल सर को बुलाऊंगी
Okay, write it down.
एक को उनकी बुक्स
Did you understand, guys? If you didn't understand, ask me, please.
उनको जिम्मेदारी दे दो, अपनी बुक्स का जिम्मेदारी आपका है बच्चों का। इधर उधर ना करे बुक्स अपने बच्चों की।
E. This is A, this is A, and this is also A.
Okay, done. Shall I raise this?
Wait.
I think it's you then. This is simple. This is simple.
QR लगा दूं? ही आवे.
हाँ ये यार जैकेट पहन ली मुझे तो गर्मी लग रही है। मैं इतने सालों में ही नहीं पहनी। शौक से वो जो पड़ा है उसको यूज करना है उसमें पहले। यहाँ के लोग कुछ ना
यहाँ बस 3 लोगों को सर्दी लग रही है।
Okay, done. Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how the perimeter works. So whenever any figure is given, you have to add the sides. Okay, you have to add the sides. Can you do it? Any problem in that?
No, sir.
Okay. So how will you do the see in NIOS? The question will be very easy sometimes, but they will not give the marks if you will not follow the steps. So basically, we need to follow the steps. The steps are important. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So, for example, if the question is like that, find the perimeter of rectangle if length is 8 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Okay. So how will you do this? We know the formula that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay. So 2 into what is L? We know that L is given as 8 meter length and breadth is given as 4 meter. I will just put the values into this. So it become 8 plus 4. So it will become 2 into 12. So the answer will be 24 meter. This is the perimeter. So like this, we need to follow the steps. If you are following the steps, you will get full marks. If you're not following the steps, you will got half marks like that. Do you understand? Write it down quickly. Write it down.
Done, sir.
Okay, then if you're done, I will give you one question. I will give you one question. Okay, find the everyone write it down. Find the breadth of a rectangle. Find the breadth of the rectangle if perimeter is given 32 meter. If perimeter is given 32 meter and length is given 16 meter. And length is given 16 meter. I'm repeating again. Find the breadth of a rectangle if perimeter is given 32 meter and length is given how much? 16 meter. 16 meter. So now quickly find it out and I will check the steps. So you guys have to turn your notebook towards your camera, HD camera, so that I can check it out. Are you getting this? Ira, Agatha, David, Jashran?
Can you
Everyone?
repeat the
Miracle?
question, sir?
Yeah, find the how much? What is that? Find the breadth of a rectangle if perimeter is given 32 meter and length is 16 meter. Length is 16 meter.
I got V as 0.
Zero. Yeah, you
perimeter
will
is
get zero only. No. Change the value, sir. Change the value. Put length as 12. Sorry for that. My bad. Put length as 12. Perimeter is 32 meter and length is 12. Length is 12.
Perimeter is 32, length is 12.
Answer.
Done. This is the answer. So these steps you followed, Agatha. These steps you followed,
Yeah.
Agatha. You
Yes,
followed these steps.
Yes, except on the perimeter of rectangle part, I did I did the formula and I first did the formula and then brought equals to 32.
Yeah, that is okay. That is okay. But guys, you have to write this thing also first, David. You have to write this thing. This is called as given part, and each question you have to write the given part. So first, it will be easy for you, like to identify what is given, what is not given, what we have to find. First thing is this. Second thing, you examiner will able to understand from your side that he is knowing this formula question, and he's able to find identify that what is given, what is not given. So you will get good marks. Third, you have to write the formula each and every time, guys. If you are not writing the formula, obviously I will cut your marks. So if I am cutting, so I have examiner known who will check your copy. So he will also cut because he's like me only. So basically the perimeter of rectangle, you have to write the formula every time. I know that you are saving your ink of your pen by not writing the formula, but if you want good marks, then you have to write the formula. Yes, just run.
I did it a longer way. And I think that was a lot of time actually.
What you did?
I multiplied 2 into R into 3 and then only I did the thing. I didn't take 2 straight away opposite side.
Yeah, you can do like 2 into 12 become 24 plus 2b. And then 24 went to that, it becomes 32 minus 24, which is 8. Okay. And then it. So, David, you know this rule that why the 2 become divide here? You know this rule? Or shall I explain it to you?
I know it.
So it is multiply, it become divide. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. Okay. Then 12 plus b is there. Then 12 plus was there. It will go to the left, become minus. It's like that. Okay. Okay. Shall I raise this now?
Wait.
Okay. So now put a heading area. Area. Put heading area. Okay. So what do you mean by area? Bethia, what do you mean by area? Bethia, what do you mean by area?
Like the area of an object.
What do you mean by area? The area of an object. Wow.
I mean, like,
Sir.
Yes. Just wrong. What do you mean by area?
Trying to find out the amount of space inside a certain place in square feet or meters.
Yeah. Okay. One more student. I will ask this from Agatha. Agatha, what do you mean by area?
it is a measurement of the space in a shape.
Near to it. Yeah. So basically, for example, I will switch my camera. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So for example, you can check that this is a box. Okay. Now this box is basically cuboid because it's a 3D shape. But if you will check the base, it is in the form of rectangle. Yes. So if I will tell how much area is covered by this box is basically the rectangle area is basically the covered by the box. So area means the space covered by the shape. Yes. So there's like this much space he covered, this box covered. We can say that this is the area. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? Okay, this is an area. Any problem? Any problem? Please ask me.
No, sir.
No? Okay. So areas basically means areas basically means base multiply by
I.
perpendicular height. Now, what do you mean by perpendicular height? What do you mean by perpendicular height? So perpendicular means 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So if you find it out, don't write everyone, please listen. If you want to find it out that how will you find the area? The area is basically means this is like, for example, this is base AB. And if there is a perpendicular height is there, so that is called as perpendicular height. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay. This 90 degree means perpendicular. This is base multiply by perpendicular height. If you will find it out, you will find the area covered by this. So for example, if this is this much height. So this area is covered by it. When you multiply the base into perpendicular height. Did you understand? Perpendicular height means the base and height makes 90 degree. That is called as perpendicular height. Okay, did you understand? What does this mean? When base and height makes 90 degree, it is called as perpendicular height. So now in the case of rectangle, so area of rectangle, if you will find it out, so rectangle looks like this. Okay, now we know that in rectangle this is 90 degree and this is base. Base, for example, this is length and this is breadth. So basically this is length is looking like a base, like here it was base, no? Base, and the breadth is working as a height and they makes 90 degree. So means if you will multiply the length 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 into breadth, you will find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Did you understand? Miracle, did you understand what I'm trying to say? That base multiplied by height, if you will do, you will get the area, this whole area. Now, in this case, the height is breadth. In this case, the length is, base is length. That's why we multiply length into breadth. If I will calculate the area of square, so the square looks like this. And in square, we know this is also 90 degree and this is A, because all sides are equal. Yes or no? So now in this case, it will become A multiplied by A. Why? David, did you understand why A? Because here base is A.
And
Yeah,
height is
say.
also A. Base and height
Height is
both
also A.
So it'll be
A.
2A.
So no. Listen,
Uh-huh.
yeah. A into A become A square. Okay, A into A become A square. Whenever A plus A is there, it become 2A. And whenever A multiplied by A is there, so it become A square. Remember this thing. So if somebody asks, what is the area of square? It become A square. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Write it down quickly. Okay, done?
Do I need to draw the diagram?
Yes, then only you will understand.
Okay, sir. Draw the diagram.
Okay, done.
Wait.
Okay, so if you have done, you guys have 3 minutes break. Yes, Ashram.
What about the area of a triangle?
Yeah, I want to do area of triangle, but I will do tomorrow. Okay, that also some low choice. So means basically the shape is like this. If it is like this, it will be length into breadth, the same thing. But now because it becomes like this, it becomes half into length into breadth. Okay, so okay, we will understand this also. Then only you take break. Okay, sorry for that. I will erase this. Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Now, for example, everyone please pay attention. Okay, na? For example, this is rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle, and we know that this is length. This is length, and this is breadth. And just now we find it out that base into perpendicular height. In this base is length and perpendicular height is breadth. Now, if I will draw this line, if I will, uh if I will draw this line, so what this will become? What this will become? A triangle?
Yes.
Right angle
Triangle?
triangle.
Yeah, right angle triangle in which this is again its breadth. Okay. Okay, its breadth. So area of triangle. Area of triangle is basically length into breadth, but here because this line divides the rectangle into two parts, means this will become the half of the length into breadth. Did you understand? This will become half of the length into breadth. So the area of triangle will become half into length into breadth.
Or half into base into height.
Yeah. So now the evolved formula will become area of triangle.
Is it
Area of triangle will become half into base into height. So if I will draw the diagram will look like this. This is height and this is base. Okay, did you understand? Now, if you're done with this, you guys have 3 minutes break. Come back in 3 minutes, and then we'll start our science class. Okay, go and drink water, and come back in 3 minutes. David, you don't have to leave the meeting. You remain in the meeting. Go and drink water, and then come back in 3 minutes.
Would they get out? Oda. I see.
Okay, guys, come back.
Yes.
So I sent you the question as a homework, okay, in the group only. Okay. So you guys have to do that homework and you have to send it back to me. Okay, guys? Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Now everyone turn on the camera. Now in science also we will start a new chapter known as magnetic effects of electric current. Repeat after me.
Magnetic effects.
Magnetic effects of
Electric
electric
current.
current.
Okay. Magnetic effects of electric current. Everyone turn on the camera. Okay. So we will start this chapter. Okay. So in the previous chapter, I taught you something. In the previous chapter, just for a recap for David, we learned that if, for example, this is a wire, and if in the wire, if charge is flowing in that wire like electrons are the negatively charged particle. You know about that, David? Do you know what is
Yes.
electrons? Okay. So if in a wire, if electron will flow, then electricity will flow. This is basically the meaning of that. For example, where are you living? You're living in south or in north?
Mumbai, this Andheri Ashram, Mumbai.
Mumbai, no? So Mumbai, we don't have cold. Yes, not that much cold. But in our times right now, I'm in Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan, Ludhiana, we have too much cold, and we have to wear woolen clothes. Now, because we wear woolen coats, so we walk and we talk and everything we do in that woolen cloth. So whenever I touch to another person, then I get a shock. So basically, what happens that because of that woolen clothes, let me complete it. Because of that woolen clothes, that I get charge. This because of friction, and there is possibility that I lose like my body, which have 4 electrons and 4 protons. Now, because of that friction, the electrons become less, and in the another person, there is more electrons. So now what will happen because I have less electrons, less negative charge, and another person has more electrons, more negative charge, then what will happen? That electrons will transfer to me. Okay. So electron is transferring, means electron is flowing. And when I will touch it, I will get a shock because electron is flowing, electricity is generated. This is how electricity works. Whenever there is flow of electrons, there is electricity that we learn. Okay, so we learned this thing in the previous chapter. Yes, Cedric. Now you tell.
So you know what? I live in Bangalore, and basically, now it's winter. No, November in Bangalore is winter, and it's so cold over here. And so basically, like if I like step on a floor, like if I step on the floor itself, I get shock.
Yeah. So this is all because of woolen clothes or these things. Okay. So now it's not complete. Now electricity is flowing, and if electricity is flowing, so first effect we learned it was heating effect of electric current. Okay, what is heating effect of electric current? I'm just giving a little recap. Okay, David. Okay, the main chapter we will learn with the new session class. There will be no problem in that. Okay, but I'm just giving you a recap so that you can understand this chapter. So, heating effect of electric current. Now, what is heating effect of electric current? So, if you will put a paper into switchboard, nothing will happen. Yes, nothing will happen. But if you will put a metal wire into the switchboard, then you can see Jesus face to face. Yes, because the metal wire will give you electric shock. Did you
Yes.
understand? Okay. Why it's so? Because paper, in paper, the electric current will not pass because it has more power to resist the flow of electrons, because paper has that power. This is called as resistance. It's a property of a material to resist the flow of electrons. Did you understand?
Yes.
Hmm? Now, if you will put a lot of power into that paper, so electrons will try to move, but paper resistance will try to stop. Now, because of this collision, there is heat generated, and that is called as heating effect of electric current. Like we are using iron, no? Ironing. So that ironing in that iron plate becomes hot. Why? Because electrons try to move in that iron, but resistance of that iron doesn't want to flow. Because of that, there is a war, and because of that war, heat is generated, and we are using it. That is called as heating effect of electric current. Yes or no? Now,
Yes.
today we will learn about magnetic, the another effect of flowing of electrons. First was when electrons flow, heat generated. This is the first. Second, when electrons flow, magnetism shows.
Okay.
Magnetism shows. Like we know that what are magnets? Magnets are the substances, or we can say things that attracts the other things, attract or repels other things. For example, if this is an iron, and if I will bring magnet near to it, so this iron will get attract to it. That is called
Yes.
as magnet. Okay. In the same way, instead of not bringing magnet, this is an iron, and if I will bring a wire having a current, like if wire is having a current means flow of electrons, then also it will stick to it. Then also it will stick to it. Did you understand? Yes or no? Because when electron flow, there is a property of magnetism also occur in that wire.
Okay.
That is why when you might see the people who are working in high tension wire, they have to wear a proper suit. High tension wire means the pillars big pillars, uh, very big pillars, because if you will go near to it, our body will directly stick to that high tension wire. That much magnetism is there. Like we will go near to it and we will go and we will stick. Why? Because that cable, the big cable of a big pole, they have lot of current. Lot of current means lot of electrons are flowing, and lot of electrons are magnetism. Did you understand? Give me a second.
Yes.
So just give me a second. So, did you understand the meaning of magnetism when electric current flows through it? Okay, so
Yes.
those workers who are working in high tension wire, they need to wear a proper suit so that their body will not stick to the wire.
Sir, if a body sticks to the wire, does that mean our body is magnetic in a way?
basically magnetism. Basically, what happens that magnetism has a property of attraction. Okay, so like iron, it's non-magnetic. Like if I will bring iron and iron, they won't stick. But magnet to the iron, they will attract. It's because in 11th you will learn about two things called as paramagnetic and diamagnetic. Paramagnetic is a property of a substances that even though they are not working as a magnet, they will stick to the magnet. Okay. And diamagnetic are those substances, they will never ever attract to the magnet. That like plastic. They will never ever attract to the magnet. Okay, so our body is paramagnetic. Means if strong magnetism is there, we will stick to it.
Who said?
We will
Are
stick to
you
it.
kidding me, sir?
Huh?
Are you kidding me, sir?
No. I'm saying really. I saw one video also. It basically the body gets stick to the wire. Okay, so we need to take care when the workers are working. They need to wear a proper suit in the high tension wire. I'm saying.
So does our body get stuck to the wire because the iron in our body, or is it just for some other reason?
There are many reasons are there. We have like in our body also nerve impulses are there. So in nerve impulses are there. There is a flow of impulses, messages. Like if you will learn in biology in KNA, there's a transfer of potassium energy and the potassium substances and sodium substances while nerve impulses are there. So even our body makes a little magnetic field. Okay.
So,
So
sir, if a big magnet doesn't attract you, it means that you have anemia because it's a deficiency of iron.
that I mean, we can't conclude that, but anemia has different symptoms. We can't conclude it that bring that person to the near to the big magnet. If it is stick, then the big magnet means it doesn't have anemia. We can't take out this point, but yeah, if he is tired because other system like he become tired too much, there is no oxygen affinity. So if it is like that, then it becomes like okay, he is sick, he is anemic. Okay, so we will read this, and I request Agatha to read this from here.
From there. When
Hmm.
electric current passes through current carrying conductor or coil, then a magnetic field is produced around it. The working of appliances like electric bell is based on this principle. As opposite to this, if a continuous charge in magnetic field is produced, then electric current can be produced.
Yes. So this is also one thing. For example, if I will, we will learn this. For example, if this is a coil, and in that coil, if I will bring a magnet of north and south, like for example, this is a bar magnet of north and south, and if I will bring the motion of magnet inside this coil. Okay, for example, this is bar magnet and this is coil. Okay, and if I will bring the this motion of the magnet into this, then electricity is also generated. Electricity brings magnetism. Magnetism, motion of magnetism brings electricity. Okay, did you
So
understand?
isn't that how motors and like some cycles have like a light attached to it, and when you go more fast you go, it like the light comes on, right? So
That is
it works?
mechanical energy. That is
Okay.
mechanical energy is working into the electrical energy.
Okay.
Okay, here it is also mechanical energy. Yeah, here it is also magnetic. Like for example, what happened? For example, this is a coil. Coil means the electric wire. I turn it in the form of circular. This is called as coil. Coil is what? When a wire is shaped into the circular form, it is called as coil. Okay. Let's take this magnet, and when I will make inside and outside means the movement. Oh, yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah. If I
Yes.
will bring the movement of magnet inside and outside like this, so because of the magnet is moving, the electric current is also produced. Vice versa. Okay. Did you understand? The movement of magnet also makes the electricity. Okay. So, for example, okay, compass, electric compass. How electric compass work? See, if you will bring electric compass to your hand, the electric compass will simply tells us about the north, south, west, east direction. Like north direction you will get, then other direction also you will get. Yes, this is how electric compass work. So if I will draw the diagram of that, now everyone please pay attention. Now, for example, this is an earth. Adric, what is this? This is an earth. Okay. Now, for example, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. Okay. Now we know that our earth has lot of lava, means molten state of metals. Now, if metals are there, if elements are there, we have electrons also. And we know that earth revolve and rotate. Earth revolve and rotate. Means if earth is rotating, so the electrons present in the earth, they are also rotating. And if they are also rotating, means they are also creating a magnet. Just now we learned that movement of electrons create magnet. Yes, magnetism. So our earth is rotating, electrons are rotating, earth has their own magnetic field. Earth has also their own magnetic field. So our compass, they are aligned to the earth magnetic field. They are aligned to the earth magnetic field. Now, for example, this is a compass. Compass has top part and the tail part. This top part is basically the north pole and the bottom part is basically the south pole. Now, yeah, in the magnet we have north and south. Na? In the same way, the top part is north and the bottom part is south. Okay. Now we know that the needle shows towards the north pole. So this means that this north pole of the earth is basically the south pole of the earth magnetism. I'm repeating again, don't be confused. We know that north pole will attract towards south. If the needle is showing, if that like this needle showing towards the north pole, it means that it will be the south pole of the earth magnet. Did you understand? South pole of the earth magnet. Did you understand? Yes or no? For example, if compass needle, the tip, if it is made up of north pole and if it is showing towards the north pole of the earth, so if it is north pole, then what will happen? North pole and north pole will repel, because we know that like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Like pole means north pole, south pole. They will repel, they will move away from each other, and north and south they will attract towards each other. Did you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this case, you can see check that this is North Pole and this is South Pole. They will attract. That is why the Earth North Pole is basically the South Pole of the Earth's magnet. Did you understand? So
So why do we call it
the
North Pole?
huh?
So why do we call that the North Pole?
Because magnetism is little bit ulta, na? Like if it is not North Pole, if we will tell South Pole, okay, then all the things will become ulta. What happened now?
Sir,
Yeah.
Earth's magnetic poles flip.
Earth magnetic pole.
Earth's magnetic poles will flip. That's why North.
Yeah. So basically, the North Pole is Earth magnetic South Pole. Remember this thing. Okay. And South Pole of the Earth is North Pole of the Earth magnetic field. This will be the North Pole of Earth magnet. And if you will bring, like for example, this is a compass. Okay, this is a compass. If you will bring another magnet near to it, then compass will deflect towards this magnet because this is a strong magnet which makes the compass to move. If you will check the Earth's magnetic field, you can do one activity. If you have bar magnet with you, you can suspend bar magnet into the air. Like if you can tie a thread and you can put it on some height, then when you will move, the magnet will move. But after some time, it will definitely rest in one position. Like it will move like this, then it will slowly, it will become like this, which showing this is the north direction and this is the south direction. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes or no? Any
Yes.
problem in that? Okay. Okay. So we're gonna read this. Yeah, Agatha, please continue with your reading skills.
We were
Yeah.
here, right? This is how.
This is
Okay.
how.
This is how electricity and magnetism have become synonymous today. Transmission of electric current takes place from the distant electricity generation stations through high tension wires, through transformers to homes. This chapter deals with the meaning of safe use of electricity. Along with this, the same concepts related to magnetism are explained through simple activities that one can perform on their own.
Yeah. So this is a simple activity. Okay. We will understand in this chapter about it. Okay. So first of all, we will understand about the magnet. So Edric, can you read this, please?
Wait. Magnet has
Here we
always
have.
been of our use and attraction for humans. According to history, the use of magnets were discovered by the ancient Greeks during the period of Greek civilization.
Mm.
They found stones which were able to attract iron and nickel like other substances. This naturally occurring stones, see figure 17.1, which was discovered then, is called as lodestone. This is an oxide of
Everyone underline this. Everyone please underline this. Okay, the naturally occurring stones which are discovered then it's called as lodestone. In 1 marks question or in MCQs, they can ask you what like natural occurring stones are called as lodestone. So in Greek civilization, they saw that when we bring iron to this lodestone, they are attracting towards it. Not iron feelings we can say. Okay, iron also have feeling. Sorry, I'm joking. It's fillings. Fillings means small pieces. Okay, that iron fillings when it keep near to the lodestone, it attract. So that is the attraction property they saw, and they called it as magnet. Yeah, read Edric after that. This is
An oxide of iron, Fe3O4. The property of attraction of small particles of iron towards lodestone is called as magnetism.
magnetism. Okay, underline this also. Edric, where is your book, beta?
I'm underlining.
You're not underlining this? Okay, underline this, please. Okay, yeah. Read this.
Okay. It has been often seen that the magnetic force of attraction of these natural magnets is much less, and thus these magnets cannot be used for practical purposes. Strong magnets made of iron, nickel, and lead are made artificially and used for practical purposes. Those magnets are also called as permanent magnet. So, a magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field which is responsible for a force that pulls or attracts on other materials.
So we will understand it like this. For example, this is a magnet, and as magnet, it has north pole. Sorry. As magnet, it has north pole and south pole. Okay. It has what? North pole and south pole. Okay. Now, everyone, please pay attention. Everyone, please pay attention. Okay. So this magnetic releases one magnetic field around the magnet like this. Okay, what does this mean? What does this mean? If I will bring iron here, so will this iron be attracted by magnet? No. Why? Because the iron is not under the magnetic field. If I will make little bit more, it's gonna look like this. This is not any bacteria. This is the magnetic field. Okay, so if I will bring this iron, if this is an iron, if this is an iron, if this is an iron, and if I will bring it near to the magnet, it won't stick. Why? Because this is not under the influence of magnetic field. But if I will bring this iron here, then what will happen? Agatha, what will happen?
What will happen if the iron is closer to the magnetic field?
And then it will stick. It will attract. So this is how every magnet has a imaginary magnetic field. Okay. By this you can understand, okay, this has this much power, this has this much power. So if magnetic field lines is less, miracle, what will happen? If a magnet produces less magnetic field lines, this is called as magnetic field lines. Okay, so if it has less, then what we can say that the magnet is weak or strong.
Weak.
Weak, because less magnetic field is there. Less magnetic field is there means less weak magnet. And if it has high magnetic field, then we can say that it is a high magnetic, like, or a strong magnet. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Sir,
Any problem? Yes, Cedric.
sir, will a person be attracted actually towards the biggest magnet in the world, the strongest and biggest magnet in the world? Can a person be attracted towards that?
I'll check it. I'll check it and then I will let you know.
If yes, the person is healthy. If no, the person is anemic.
Okay. Okay. Now read this, Cedric.
These strong magnets can be made in various shapes and create its own persistent magnetic field. The magnets that are commonly available in different shapes are bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet, circular magnet, and rectangular magnet.
So we have these types of magnet. Like this, you can see the diagram also. This is the diagram. So you can check it that we have these types of magnet with us. Okay. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Okay. Now, Ira, read this.
Have you ever observed magnets of any of the above shapes around you? Magnets of different shapes are used in various appliances used at home, like tape recorder, radio, motor, doorbell, headphones, etc. These magnets are used in various appliances to either hold or separate, control, elevate, lift substances. Changing electrical energy to mechanical energy, motors, loudspeakers, or mechanical to electric energy. Generators and
So we have all these magnets used in different places. So there is natural direction. I told you north direction and south direction. Okay, and if I told you if you suspend, not suspend. No, if you will bring a thread to it and if you will move it freely, so north pole will face towards the north direction, hence this is called as north pole. And if south will face towards south direction, hence it's called as south pole. Okay, this is called as north and south. Any problem, guys?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so if you don't have any doubt, so we'll stop our class and tomorrow we'll learn more about this magnetism. So let me tell my outro. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off to Shabakher. Sayonara. Signing off.
Bye, sir.